ning oi night laso alam kaning ji kurte jai kathar do ninia prang Philippine mirjeng pathuak ramalong alang kaning ke tribal areas along le ladang bangke karbiang long ke sepu karbiang long pe laso apora bangke ning je pik ning oi pik ke jai kathar long si karbi kali pote ladak pen kathilo karbiang long pe dode da dimaso pe dode da Keceng sialama bangke itum Chinang 17 November 1951 asingkana bangsi United Nickel Hills Pen United North Kachar Hills apan ituman Sorkar ituman Bharat Sorkar Assam Sorkar ituman district apilo 1970 ingkana bangke United Nickel Hills apan ke United North Kachar Hills pala pupu itum Cikak lo Cikak mana ada district aprek tu cesak lo laso depan 14 October 1976 ke Ini tumke Mikir Hills Development District Karbianglong District Council punang mantang elo. Lasu posi non ke ningkan pikir tang elo Karbianglong District Council 1996 June April 1 menke tumke Karbianglong Thomas Council pulo Karbianglong usinang citok petok Karbiang Hai Sangdel ini tum kado kewika. Lasi ledake Karbianglong le kali bualang kitu bangke kecok cipik lo lapen ke kahinun nailo. Alang laso ablam kaning je bang karbia khai phan kilang ponji kali kaching hon ponji phan kali alang like politics claim i kadok kabe tribal area tribal khai tuma an pata lang ponute ladak bangke chokpo ne vote long ipo po non nang ke leji MEC election long pusalang chimatha laso alam posi itum kaning je lapen ke hini alam itum kadok kabe ta itum chini nang je karbiang long pe di mahaso la make ladake tribals po bongta ladak bangke Sidul Trap Hills of Abake. Sidul Trap Hills of Naga Ambong Tala Dake, Buddha Yok Tumlongji, Ladak Longli Nangalong Lunjike, Laki Rengma Kaichot. Kukia Tumta Singa Solong Kito Para, Kukia Korte Injiratum, Latum Sian Rochotpo, Manipur Penon Kivang, Atunsi Datang Long Luji, Long Lilo Laki. Hana to get Tribello, Hoklo, Samara Sidul Trap Hills Kali, ASDC Kali Laki, Halatuma Tribel like a break, Halatumke. Mizu tuma tribal semela kali tuma longa tribal kali tu ke STH kali laso posi mani lo tha phan thom mane au phan tang ho te kumane naga phan ban si ladak pado po sidul kap hil simar lapji long lip pg buke lake SDC Fornt KSA KSA ke ni tum ke komentu ni tak koi ke lapen ke condemn bomji lapen jai kathar pan dak kan plung deki laso na division people te lapen ka do vedan chidong tan tekku si matha naga tum phan si lada rengma naga pe na kaprek phan si lada karbiang long jong phalong kido bolang sulong kido rengma naga atupen kaprek anaga pa si dak long liki pg Sidul Trap Hill saja kong ladak PG ke hello public lo han bostia lo dulu kulini lo lengria lo tu o naga do man ke election je ke claim nai non ke ladak ke naga tum long bang mi thang lo along li dolo nagalen dolo hat make ala to mi thang long li dolo naga tum dolo mane kuki tu ba khodak mane pulong dolo dak pan ma ke dolo ke choko hadak ke do tu ala dak padona handa ladak ke lanjut ke tengah kroy chelo ako kadlo be akar bi la kroy ke laki uthe alang li phan tek serbon ki ma thai join si alang li phan ke kroy chot apen gon ga ning dok bang ta vilo alang li phan ke lasi naga bong tame rengma naga ladak ili tum long ke do rengma tum kwan la ke do on rengma kulini long kwan ma ke do hemika rengma tum ben chenglok resul rengma ben chenglok laso rengma choi kapre rengma kali Koprek naga kali naga mong ta. Tribal mong ta kunane nizu tu masih bangi mane ni Manipuri tu masih bangi ke ladak ke kroy kilo. Ladak si long le ki pek jeep ke hello dik ram lo ke. Dak pesi dum ko. Don khan posti lo election tang pelang. Aning kan sika election claim lo jek thadum kroy dum de. Laso ke kroy dum de bangke ala ke tribal yan ta kaprek lang. Ala dang chini dek nai pia constitution ke tek. Ni li je ka tharban thegu puli ta basic alang ke alang chini nei. Ladak ke Sidul Trap Hill sa pancho ladak ke. Bola mangke. Ladak di masa dopo, ladak karbi dopo, singa solong dopo, itum dopo. Ladak darolong hala hai dopo, itum long nona perilong. Ocha lang so dum do garo tum kha dopo. La hai to rong khang do la hai garo chop tu. Garo ta kapre garo golilo. La so phansi ladak lanji puke litum ke koi tek khelo. La pen ke of pachelo khan pon le thoklo. Ladak ke litum ke Karbianglong district Thomas Council chot. Litum ajak kong ke. Lasi ho Germany adek thong ching char lidun tang ho Ho England son France son Charlie dun to Syria pen atuma keng pen tampo hadak si relief camp ke dodam rono joni paho komane Iraq pen hadak dam potho Afghanistan pen hadak dam potho hadak si dodam paho ku son ke Charlie dunang ne ilitum kroy ilitum ningje pinang la bangke non ron juje pinlang sung olo aduk do olo Manipur lo do kipen chenglok ke prek khai don ta hadak si relief ke pinako hadak si camp padonang ko hadak si kado ke chuyun kado pen relief camp ko ta hadak si pinako hadak tuman dake ban gen ni tinge kroy don dekte ko pinita halando. This is, I repeat again, on behalf of the ASDC Youth Fund, ASDC, KSA, and KNCA, that by no means on the EDA, Mirjeng playground at HDP in regards to stating that this is the land of not Karbi, but the land of tribal areas, all the tribal. All the tribal we cannot include here. My dear brothers from Manipuri, my dear Naga brothers, my dear Garo brothers, Bugis brothers who are living in Manipur, who are living in Meghalaya, who are living in Nagaland, we cannot bring you all here as scheduled tribe hills. We have categorized tribal and scheduled tribe hills tribal. There are two types. There are the tribals, but not scheduled tribe hills tribal. Therefore, Kathar statement stating that Karbi Anglong is not meant for Karbi, but for all the tribal. This cannot be accepted. In maybe 100 years or 1,000 years also, ASDC, KSA, KSA, ASDC is not be accepted. Kathar is not leading the people on the right track. He is leading the people on the way to war by trying to get votes in the ensuing MEC election, which is going to take place in 2007. If he invites those Lothar Nagas, those Ao Nagas, and asking them to settle there in Lahorian, Legarian areas, Khan Basti and Dudu Kolini, that forget about giving land for them to them. They are to evac by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and the rest of the people living in Karbi Anglong, scheduled tribe hills from those Nagas living there. We will continue to make friends with them. We will continue to make business with them. We will continue to go to Dimapur. They will continue to come to Karbi Anglong. But giving them land and scheduled tribe hills status to them, this cannot accept. That is the reason that ASDC, KSA, KNCA has been consistently standing against the Boro Accord, close age, which we call. The Boro demand that the Boros living in Karbi Anglong have to be accorded as, have to be given as scheduled tribe hills tribe status. But we are not agreeing to that 2003 accord made by the Boro. We are still against that. Therefore, we are not against the Boro, our friends, but the status, the rights and privilege of the scheduled tribe hills that cannot be given to them. This is what we want to say. We will continue to make friends. We will continue to play football together with the Baboros. We will continue to play cricket together with the Nagas, but not land here for them. No land here for them, not an inch of land for them. And we are not going to seek any land to Naga. 5,000 of the youths of Karbi will go to Nagaland and give 500 bighas of land. We are not going to see that to the Nagas here in Nagaland. 1,000 of youths, Karbi youths will go to Boro and give Boroland, BTAD and give us 1,000 bighas of land. We are not going to say that. Let them live them peacefully, the Nagas brothers. Let the Boro brothers live peacefully there in Boroland. We are not going to disturb them. We have no rights to get anything from them. And they don't have the rights to get anything here. And Kathar, they must aware of the fact that Kathar is a man of trying to lead people in a different and a wrong way. If those Naga brothers continue to believe him as a leader, as a visionary leader, they will lose somewhere in the road on the way. Therefore, we request that please stop joining Kathar's party HPCLC. And if Kathar's statement of saying that this is tribal land, not Karbi land, is totally the biggest and the biggest error that he made in 2024. He is a man of making false statement consistently since making his party. Secondly, we want to say that the last 3, 4, 5 days, people have been pointing each other, and this is very correct, all because of Kathar. The problems facing there in Manipur, we are sorry for them. The Manipur government and the government of Assam, the government of India, central government must give relief materials, medical aids and everything to the victims there. That is a very legitimate right for them. But those cookies bringing here and trying to harbor them as relief came here, we are not going to accept that. We are not going to accept that. We support the pain. We want to give comfort to them right from here. We will raise our voice, and right now, at the heart of the town, be the ASDC, Fornt, KSA, and ASDC are saying that give materials, give all the help to Manipur. To the people there, Manipur's brother, Meithi's brothers, Cookie's brothers there. But please don't come here. There's no place for the cookies outside here in the country. This is what we have to say. So, Jay Kathar saying this continuously is trying to invoke war. It's not going to be accepted by any people in Karnataka. Please be aware, Jay Kathar. This is what we have to say. Thank you. Jay Kathar. Go back! Jay Kathar, go back! Go back! Go back! Jay Kathar, go back! Go back! Go back! Jay Kathar, go back! Go back! Go. Put a bar! Put a bar! Put a bar! Jay Kathar, put a bar! Put a bar! Put a bar! Jay Kathar, put a bar! Put a bar! Put a bar! Jay Kathar, chok Jay! Chok Jay! Chok Jay! Jay Kathar, chok Jay! Chok Jay! Chok Jay! Jay Kathar, chok Jay! Chok Jay! Chok Jay! Jay Kathar, go back! Go back! Go back! Jay Kathar, down! 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 Jay Kathar, move the butt! Move the butt! Move the butt! Jay Kathar, move the butt! Move the butt! Move the butt! Jay Kathar, down! Down! Jay Kathar, down! Down! Jay Kathar, down! Down! Jay Kathar, go back! Go back! Go back! Jay Kathar, move the butt! Move the butt! Move the butt! Jay Kathar, move the butt! Move the butt!